Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this video is about ourselves. The objective of the video is to let you know who we are, what we do, what kind of projects we work on, what we do not do. And in the end, the objective of the video is to give you an idea to figure out whether we are a right immigration firm for you or not. So Nuvonation is being started by my wife and I. Till date, it is a husband-wife company. I am the regulated Canadian immigration consultant. My wife Shreya, she assists me with all the projects. So it's just two employees in the company. There is no third party. Entire operation of the company takes place from Canada. We do not work with any agent. We do not have any middleman. We do not have any third party. Yes, we do get contacted by a lot of agents from time to time. But because immigration is such a personalized kind of a service, we have taken a conscious decision of not involving anybody else that rather than my wife and I, and we take care of everything A to Z of the project by ourselves from Canada. So we started about close to 2.5 years back, and we have been blessed to have the blessings of our clients from all around the world. So that's the objective with which Nuvonation has been founded. Essentially, we are an immigration law firm. So we specialize on aspects which actually involves the Immigration Refugee Protection Act of Canada, its regulations, the Citizenship Act of Canada, and its associated impact. So as a process, as an organization, we focus on the areas where actually the complex legal processes are involved. For example, if you have received a procedural fairness letter, we love to respond to that. If you are already banned from entering Canada, we love to solve that problem for you. If you are otherwise inadmissible from entering Canada, let's say due to criminality, but if you would like to make a move to Canada, we try to help you with an authorization to return to Canada or temporary residence permit. Or if you have like multiple visa refusals, visit visa, student visa, PR refusal, so whatever, we try to help you solving those refusals. So whenever there is a complex nature of the project, we'll have to get involved, and probably that's what our client also likes about us, because 99.9% of the projects that we work on are either procedural fairness letters and related projects, or the ones that involve serious complex refusal management. There is another aspect that we work on as well. That's to do with various kind of startup visa, business immigration aspect. But business immigration is a very broad aspect. We specialize on, amongst business immigration, we specialize on startup visa only. That we think is our strength. So that's mostly the kind of projects that we work on. Now, I know oftentimes we get questions as to how do I start working with you? Can you take over my full project and things like that? The very first step, because of the nature of the projects that we handle, the very first step with us is a professional consultation. You have to book a professional consultation for us to understand your project, for you to tell me what it is all about. All the consultations are virtual, take place with me, ideally over a video call over Google Meet. And in the end of the consultation, the objective of the consultation is not to sell our services. We never ever talk of our services unless and until it's asked for it. The objective of a consultation is to consult, is to provide specific case-specific opinion to answer all your questions. But if you decide to retain us with your complex project, even then the first step would be a professional consultation, and we do not retain any client without a professional consultation. Immigration is a very, very personalized kind of a service. It's a very one-to-one kind of a service, and whether really understanding your case, and most importantly for you, without giving you the opportunity to understand whether we are a right immigration firm or not for you, for your needs, uh, there is no way that a consultation can be avoided before signing a retainer agreement. If you decide to retain us, as we have said, obviously the consultation is the first step. We do not offer any free consultations. I do not believe there is anything in this world which is for free. Those that offer free consultations, with all due respect, that's probably their way of selling their services. As I have said, we do not sell our services in the name of a professional consultation. Every single piece of information is available on the website, services, the installment options, whatever you need to know about us, everything is available on the website, and we go by the books. Whatever is there on the website, those are the final ones. We go by that. And exactly the reason that we do not offer free consultations is because, as I have said, I do not believe anything in this world is for free. And most importantly, the kind of projects we handle, the nature of projects we handle, it is impossible to not to prepare not to come prepared for the consultation. So I take my time, I ask for the case materials beforehand, I make my notes, I ensure that I'm prepared before I talk to my clients, so that the consultation becomes a productive one. So that's the way to get started with the projects. Oftentimes you also get the questions like, can you help me with a job offer in Canada? Can I pay you money to get a job offer in Canada? And those kind of anything that relates to the employment, giving you a job offer, arranging a job offer kind of stuff, we do not work on. We are not a recruitment consultant. We are an immigration law firm. So anything that deals with the employment aspect, sure, certainly we do help employees with LMIA, but we do not help with the job offer. So if your objective is to get a job offer in Canada, or to know like how can I get a job offer here in Canada, we are not the right firm for you. There are n number of resources available on the website. There are many other people that does this kind of work. We do not involve ourselves into the employment and those kind of stuff. That's something that we do not do. So what are the kind of clients that we end up working with? What are the demographics? So typically all around the world. I cannot really name any specific country that gives us a chunk of clients. Yes, I mean, people from India come to Canada the highest. So obviously Indians will be a good percentage of people that come up with. But having said that, we get clients literally coming from all around the world, starting from India to Vietnam to Bangladesh to various parts of Africa, Middle East, literally every corner of the world. And we gladly work with anybody that fits into our expertise. And if they think that we are the right immigration firm from them, we are more than glad to take over the project. So that's mostly about us. If you need our assistance with any of the processes that's being mentioned on the website, particularly with respect to the procedural fairness letter, complex refusal management, startup visa, or any other complex immigration projects, hop onto the website nuvonation.ca, or give us a call to understand what we do more, if that's what you're into. But the ideal way would be just go on to the website Nuvonation.ca and go to the professional consultation tab, book a relevant professional consultation as per your requirement. Everything else, all the associated steps such as the meeting links and everything will be taken, will be forwarded to you automatically. And then we will have the discussion, and then we can take it from there. I hope this helps. I hope this video gives you an idea what Nuvonation is all about, and I hope to see you in one of those consultations. Bye now.